Network Address Translation, or NAT, is a process used in computer networks to help multiple devices share one public internet address. Imagine your home network. You might have several devices, like phones, computers, and tablets, all connected to the internet. Each device in your house has its own private address, but outside your home, the internet only sees one public IP address, which is given by your internet provider. NAT is what makes this possible. Think of NAT like a receptionist at a large company. All calls from the outside world come to the company's main phone number. When someone calls, the receptionist checks who the call is for and passes it internally to the correct person. When an employee wants to call out, the receptionist records who is calling and lets the call go out using the company number. Similarly, NAT uses a translation table, remembering which device made which request, so that when information comes back, it can be delivered to the right device. Let's look at an example. Suppose your computer wants to visit a website. It sends a request to your home router. The router has NAT running and swaps your computer's private address with the public address, adding a special port number for tracking. The website replies to this public address, and NAT figures out which local device requested the information, forwarding the response back to your computer. This system keeps internal IP addresses hidden from the outside, making your network more private and secure. It also helps save precious public IP addresses, which are limited. In this way, hundreds of devices in a company or home can share one public IP, making the network more efficient. In summary, NAT acts as a middleman, translating and routing data between private networks and the wider internet. It makes sharing easier, improves privacy, and keeps network management simple for both homes and businesses.
Simply click the link below to learn more.